Welcome everybody to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm Derek Smith. I'm here with my friend Erin. Her camper's been in here for service. We got Sadie with us as well. Let's go pick up Erin's camper.
Save you first.
All right, come on in, Erin. Hey everybody, we have Erin here to pick up her Pop-Up camper.
Alrighty.
Okay.
They replaced the lift cables, also replaced several of the pulleys when we did winterization, and they also fixed the rear bumper for you. So everything's good to go. There's your receipts. Here's your keys.
Oh yeah.
And they should have pulled over here on the side for you.
Perfect.
All right, about 7 inches, Erin. Good.
Stand.
All right, Bree, does it look good?
Hard time.
Oh, somebody's coming in to see
All
you.
right, you coming in to check it out?
And I have the same Niagara too that I'm working on restoring right now as well.
Yeah. I gotta say the high wall is it's a game changer. It feels so big in comparison to inside.
Yeah.
In comparison to a lot of other pop-ups.
Yeah, these are great campers. What do you like best about it?
That we can pull it with that little truck over there. Even though Tacoma's not anything to shake a head at, but still, it's real easy to pull. It's real easy to maneuver back into spots. But then once it's up, it just feels so big, roomy, and with the heat and the AC on this unit,
Yes.
I mean, it's a game changer. You know, my whole family just loves it. We can camp 9 months out of the year at least, and be comfortable, which is, not always the case in tent camping. But you're not committed to a 23-foot huge camper, right?
Yes.
To get that space. So yeah, I mean, it's a game changer from a comfort. It's extremely comfortable. My wife and I backpacked and tent camped for through our mid-30s, and this is a great next step without feeling like you got to buy this huge monstrosity of a camper.
And with all the canvas, you still have a tent-like experience.
Absolutely, you get to have that fresh air feeling. I mean, again, the windows are unzipped as much as humanly possible. You coming back in, Sadie? Yeah, it's awesome. We love it.
Now, Erin's camper came to us due to broken cables because of the remote was left in.
Yep, the remote got shorted out because I left it in by mistake.
And the motor kept running, and I ended up breaking cables. So we fixed that, and we found some other little issues and some other concerns that she had that we addressed when the camper was here as well. I always like to recommend disconnecting the battery. So that'll do two things. If you have power lift, it'll stop this from occurring. And with your battery always hooked up, your monitors are always running. So disconnecting the 12-volt battery will stop that little vampire drain from the monitors running. And if you have power lift, the off chance that something like this happens, that happened to Erin's camper. We got it fixed.
We got it fixed. Thank goodness for you guys and for Beckleys, and lesson learned, and
Yeah, and I tried to convince you to fix it yourself for many phone calls.
Yeah, we tried, and I don't know if it was the weight of the AC or what it was, but I mean, there were 6 of us on all corners trying to lift the roof, and it was not easy.
No, it's not easy.
It was not easy, and it's not that we couldn't do it, but we had limited space, and again, we couldn't get anything in there to help us out. So I was, I'm just gonna put it in the hands of the professionals and let you guys take care of it. I'm very glad that we did. You're so sweet.
And Brianna, you have a special gift?
Oh, yes. Can I give it to you to give?
She picked this one out for you.
All right, good deal.
All right. Thank you for your visit.
Outstanding. That's great. Thank you very much. That's perfect. Thank you very much. Thanks for everything. I appreciate all your help.
All right, let's get her close up
Yeah,
and
right.
get you home.